here, furniture there, things we use everywhere. Point and say, point and say, furniture helps us every day. Chair, chair, sit right there, it helps me rest my legs and hair. Table, table, big and wide, I eat my food right by your side. Sofa, sofa, soft and low, I watch cartoons and wiggle my toe. Stool, stool, tiny and small, I stand on you when I grow tall. Furniture here, furniture there, things we use everywhere. Cupboard, cupboard, open wide, my clothes and toys all hide inside. Bed, bed, warm and deep, you hug me gently when I sleep. Desk, desk, neat and clean, I draw pictures blue and green. Shelf, shelf, up so high, books sit neatly to the sky. Furniture here, furniture there, things we use everywhere. Chart, table, sofa, stool, furniture makes our home